Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix the action cannot be completed because the folder or a file in it is open in another program. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are trying to delete any file and it is showing this action cannot be completed because the folder or a file it is open in another program, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you have to just click on this search, then type here msconfig. Click on this system configuration. Click on the services, then click on hide all Microsoft services, then click on disable all, then click on apply. After that, then click on startup, then click on open task manager. Here you have to disable all the applications one by one. Just right click on that, then click on disable. Like this you have to select all applications one by one, then close this window, then click on OK. After clicking OK, it will ask to restart your laptop. After restarting, then try to delete your folder or file. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix the action cannot be completed because the folder or a file it is open in another app. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.